Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to teach you on how to use a fire extinguisher. We have types of fire extinguisher, we have classes of fire extinguisher, but today I'm going to teach on how to use the DCP, the dry chemical powder. So the dry chemical powder is a fire extinguisher. It is for class A, class B and class C. So straight I'm going to show you or demonstrate to you on how to use the fire extinguisher to extinguish fire. First of all, you have to pull the pin. We are going to use a pass method. Pass method means pull the pin. After pulling the pin, you have to aim the base of the fire. Okay? Aim the base of the fire. After aiming the base of the fire, you have to squeeze the trigger. This is the trigger. You have to squeeze it. You have to push it. Okay? So if you squeeze the trigger, you have to sweep side to side, side to side, side to side until the fire is extinguished. I will advise you to monitor the fire. You should not just sweep side to side and go. No, just see some minutes, come back, see the fire, is it all totally extinguished or still no. Then you have to do it second time. If the fire is not yet extinguished, you have to use the pass method again, pull the pin, aim the base of the fire, squeeze the trigger, sweep side to side until you complete putting off the fire. Thank you, and have a nice day.